Mr. Wyckoff tested positive for cocaine. He also tested positive for, what else was it? Mr. Wyckoff, I'm going to tell you now, I'm not putting up with it. I'm not going to let you do this while you're on my watch. So it's okay. It stops now. And if you don't, we have one place for it. You understand? You will be drug tested like crazy. I'm going to bring you here 2 times a week so that you prove to me that you're not consuming any kind of cocaine, alcohol, or any dope whatsoever. And the first time you test positive, you will go to jail. I know that you're going to test positive now for the next 3 days, maybe 4. But after that time, if you have continued to test positive for cocaine, then you will go to jail. As far as the weed is concerned, I will give you a 35 to 40 day window. And after that, if you test positive, that tells you that you've continued to use, and likewise, you will go to jail. And I'm going to tell you now, no more PR bonds. Do you understand? I don't care if you're mad at me. I don't care if you're, look.
I'm not going to make it 2 times a week.
Then
drugs is not working everything. No, that's not going to happen.
Yes, it is.
All right.
I will give you the opportunity. If you don't, then that's fine. You don't have to come. You know what's going to happen. And that's it.
Judge, I would ask the court to consider just either once a week or every 2 weeks.
No, because he can still use and he can evade capture with it. And, I don't want you to continue to use cocaine. And that's it. And I'm not going to trust you.
I can't even use cocaine. I have asthma. That stuff will break my lungs.
You tested positive for it.
I can't use it.
Well, okay. Prove it.
I have asthma. It's in the system.
Prove it. I'm not going to take your word for it. So that's
I've
already given you a lawyer, Mr. Wyckoff. You know what's expected of you. All you have to do, I'm not asking you to show up here. I'm asking you to just go take a test, and then you can take
Like I said, I work. I'm not going to take 2 times out a week to go take a test. No.
That is the bond condition.
All right. I could have paid my own bond for that.
Still a condition I'm going to put on you, whether you paid your own bond or not. If you don't like it, don't pick up a new case. Easy solution. And I hope that now it becomes so miserable that you think twice before you follow someone next time. Because, like I said, had you probably just called the cops, they would have chased that person and arrested them.
I followed them to get their driver's license number, and I didn't follow them.
Don't talk about the case. I don't want to talk about the case. I'm just telling you what's expected of you, sir.
Sure.
So today's 9/10. So the cutoff date for the weed is to be around like the 21st of October. Today's Tuesday. So what I'll do is I'm not going to have you come back on Thursday because I know that it's not going to be. So we can start Monday, the testing on Monday, and we'll go from there. You will have to go take a drug test on Monday, submit it to the lab, and then you can go on about your business. If you test positive, you will be brought to court, and then we'll address it at that time.